Okay, today we're going to go over how to set up negative keywords for an AdWords account. We use negative keywords because Google has different types of keyword matching. They have um, phrase match, which you'll see here is a keyword wrapped in quotation marks. They have broad match, like you see here, where it's just the keyword listed. And then let's see if we can find an exact match in here. And of course, as I look, I won't be able to find one. Well, an exact match would just be listed in brackets. Um, there's also a third kind, which we'll show you here in one sec. Um, right here, this is called Broad Match Plus. That just limits what Google will match, what keywords Google will match. If you do a broad match, it'll do related things. So if my keyword is auto glass, they might include screen or door, because they're broadly related, even though we don't want those clicks. So sometimes instead of using broad match, I'll just put a little plus symbol, and that makes it broad match plus. That means only match this keyword to highly relevant words. You can also combine broad match and regular keywords. So like if I want to put arginine and then the plus symbol and the letter plus for this one, and since this is a arginine plus, that would probably be a good fit. Okay, so the problem with broad match, like I said before, is that it matches too many keywords. So for this L-arginine plus, it might match me for different amino acids like L-carnitine or L-ornithine or something like that, which, people searching for those are definitely not interested in our products, and frankly, we don't want them wasting our clicks. So one of the tools that Google gives us is called a negative keyword list. And I'll show you over here on the left-hand side, you'll see the shared library. We click in there and it shows us audiences, budgets, negative keywords, and exclusions. We want to go to negative keywords. Okay, and you can see we only have one negative keyword, L-lysine. Oops, click back. That's one we were avoiding. Let's just add lysine too. And there I just added a new negative keyword not to match it to. So add a few other ones that I know we want to avoid. Um, okay, those are just different amino acids that aren't really related to us. Okay, so like I said, Google will match lots of different words to broad match keywords like, well, let's not look at that one, like that one. And the way that we find out what keywords were used is through Google Analytics. So we go here, we click Google Analytics, and unfortunately it makes me search for the right account, and here it is. All right, now we're still in AdWords, but they give us this analytics box here, and we are going to want to go to. They just changed this on me, so bear with me. Traffic sources, advertising, AdWords, and matched search queries. So this shows us the actual queries that were matched to the keyword that we bid on. It doesn't actually tell us the keyword, it shows us the matched keyword here. I could limit this to certain campaigns. And it'll break it down further. This is probably a good way to search. So what we want to do is go through this list and make sure we're not bidding on any words that are just costing us money. A lot of them will come up not set. That's because they're probably coming from image ads that we're using on the display network. But you can just ignore those for now. So all these look relatively okay. Nightworks is a competitor, so that's okay. Louis Ignaro is the guy who originally started this product, so we're going to leave that one. And No More Heart Disease is the book that he wrote, so we'll leave that one as well. That's a competitor product, that's fine. L-citrulline malate. That's probably not a great fit, but I'll leave it for now, since our product does have citrulline in it. And we're just going to keep going through this list, see if we can find one to remove. Usually they're not ones, these are sorted by order of occurrence, by frequency of occurrence of the match and the click. So these ones that have 10 clicks or more, they're typically going to be okay. But let's keep looking. Okay, here's one. Yohimbine side effects. So I'm going to just go back here and drop this one in. So we go to, we just click add. So we go Yohimbine. And I'm just going to keep this open. Okay, Coversil. I don't even know what that is. Let's find out. It's a prescription drug for high blood pressure. That one's questionable. L-carnitine plus. Synergy Worldwide is a competitor. We'll leave that. You'll notice a lot of people are looking for our product for erectile dysfunction. Okay. Alanine. Let's add that one. Just another separate amino acid that doesn't really mix. See, Google's game here is they're trying to make as much money as they can. Since I have budget to spend, they want to take my money in any way they can. Miracle Molecule is the name of the books. We'll leave that. Pycnogenol, we'll leave that. Glutamine. Let's add that one. So we just go down the list here, and as we go down this list, we're reaching a point of diminishing returns. I'm going to add raspberry ketones. I don't like that one. Super lysine. We already have lysine added, so that won't show anymore. So you can see in the last month we've got 5 clicks or less for the rest of these. We'll keep going down. So the Yohimbine, we've got that one. That's garbage. Just smart. These all look okay. There's alanine. We grabbed that one already. You'll see Cardio Plus. That's our product is called. We have a service mark, the Cardio Health Formula. So we'll leave that one. These are kind of weak keywords. Now we're down to 3 matches a month, so we're not wasting a ton of money here anyway. Those look okay. Long jacks. So we'll leave that. Zen Plus. Let's check what that is. It's a male enhancement drug. We'll leave that one. Let's see. Alanine, we got that one. Acetyl L-arginine, that's, I don't think that actually exists, but acetyl L-carnitine, I'm going to leave that one. Oh wait, I saw one, ammonium succinate. Let's see what that is. Well, Amberin, it's for menopause. Let's get rid of that. Ammonium succinate. Okay, so we've gone down our list here. This is a pretty big campaign, so there's lots of keywords here. But we're getting pretty close now. Cardiovascular fitness, that's pretty weak. Lamellin, let's see what that is. No clue, let's add that. Okay. We also have in this one we have a CoQ10 supplement that we sell, so diastolic dysfunction. And you see we're getting down to 2 clicks a month, so this isn't costing us a whole bunch of money. I'll do one more and then we'll call it quits. Okay, so then I just go back here, I add these keywords and these. Okay, so we have negative keyword lists and then we have campaigns to apply it to. So we're going to apply these to all of our campaigns. You know, alternately, if it's just applicable to one campaign, you know, and we wanted to keep it, we can do that. It's already on the arginine campaign. So now these keywords are applied to all these. So we won't bid on any of these anymore. Let's just check to see if that's true. We may have a little bit of a lag here. It's still showing us. Well, there's probably a lag here in between when it actually shows. So anyway, this is negative keywords. Once a keyword is added to the negative keyword list, you won't display for that keyword. So let's see if I can get it to work. I'm still doing it. Well, we'll check back tomorrow. But anyway, that's how it works. If you're unsure about a keyword, just post on the hub to me and notify me of it, and I'll get back to you. Otherwise, all I do is generally just Google them and make sure they at least have some sort of relevance to it. If they do, I'll generally leave it. And that's about it.